good night. uh, Activity number 5. uh, okay. A little bit about me. My name is Mario Gaitan. I live in Valledupar. I am 26 years old. I have little time living here in the city. I like it to explore and meet people. I am very shy, but I like it to converse with other people. I want to be a great man of business. That's why I am preparing. I like it to speak English. I have practiced, but I don't know much. I am very sensitive and I have my confidence to be with it. I like to listen of music and my family is the most important thing for me. Okay, my vacation. I enjoyed it. Wonderful days in the city of Santa Marta. We saw and some trees on the beach. Together, the Wolf family. When we went to meet the city, we walked through many places, very beautiful and tourist city. The people were very nice and helpful. They helped us a lot. Since for the most part it was our first time on the beach. It was wonderful to share those moments with the family, moments of happiness and love together. The trip was very beautiful. We met the city, new friends, we enjoyed that walk together, and I will remain in our memory forever. Wonderful city, Santa Marta. Incredible city. It is majestic, beautiful, with many places to visit. Has Tayrona Park, have has many beaches. Police very friendly, and think you should know her personality to understand what I'm saying. The weather is incredible. It's very hot, but you can cool off on the beach. You should be very careful with the sun. You can burn. I recommend you use sunscreen all the time. Recommendations. I recommend you for a trip to this spectacular city. Plan it in advance since sometimes is in season the city of tourists is very full. Take care of your things. A lot, a lot of, a lot of sunscreens, and visit all the places you can. You will not regret it. Life is one, and try to enjoy it to the fullest. Thank you very much.